Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Marantz AV8805A Preamp processor. So let's get started. Okay, here we have it. This is my brand new Marantz AV8805A preamplifier. And I'm going to do like a little quick unboxing video. Might be a little bit more difficult because I'm just doing this handheld. I'm doing this with one hand, so just kind of bear with me. So I'm gonna see what we got in here. So everything comes nicely packed here, and oops, I don't want to get that in the way. We got the remote here. It's a backlit remote, nice remote. And here's all the accessories here. And this looks like a quick start guide here. Comes with a quick start guide. Okay. Alrighty, and here's some of the accessories here. It looks like the antenna, and labels, and some more paperwork here. Okay, this is the cardboard. Heard about this. This is a nice little cardboard setup for the calibration microphone to set that on, so that's pretty cool. We also have the power cord, and here's the Odyssey microphone right there. Okay, so everything is nicely packed. Okay, I have all the styrofoam pieces and accessories. I'll move out of the way, and now we can see we just have the preamplifier left in the box to remove, and I will do so. Okay, I've taken it out of the box now, and I just have the protective sleeve that I have to remove, and I will do that right now. Okay, I've got the unit out of the box, and I must say too, it's got some heft to it. It weighs slightly over 30 pounds, and you can feel that weight, and it's very nicely built, very sturdy. So yeah, this is an awesome unit here. So yeah, I have it out of the box now, and so I'm just gonna kind of move around a little bit here. Yeah, it's a beautiful unit, very beautiful. Here's the top here, and I love the copper plated well, the copper screws. I don't know if they're plated or not, but they're copper. Looks very nice. Okay, now we're getting a shot of the rear panel and checking out all the connections there. And again, I love the copper plating on the back, the screws, and I like the coloration on the back too. It looks very nice, very classy. Very premium, very high tech. So yeah, so I just can't wait to get this unit hooked up, and this will be the best unit I've ever had as far as receivers go. And this is actually my first preamp processor, so this will be the best head unit I've ever had. So I look forward to hooking it up and getting it up and running. And I guess I'll be doing a written review on my website and review on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Okay, that about does it. For more info on the Marantz AV8805A, check out the video on the end screen seen here. Thanks for watching.